Magandang umaga, tanghali, hapon, gabi sa Zodiac Sign na Libra with the Air Elements. Lola Baby nagpapakilala. Isa lang pong like, subscribes, and share. Shout out po para kay Madam Fortunata ng Pilipinas. So I will give you a reading, okay? Para po sa inyong tinatawag, unahin natin your personal energy or personal life, okay? So ito po starting today to April 30, okay? So naririto ang tinatawag na the Eight of Pentacles in reverse position, diba? It's like lumulubog, okay? Lalong ito yung tinatawag na Libra na babaon sa utang, diba? That's all I see. Maaaring nababaon sa utang, hindi nababayaran, okay? Nagkakapatong-patong ang kanilang mga bayarin, okay? So naririto ang tinatawag na the Six of Swords, di ba? So ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag nagkakaroon ngayon ng problema, okay? Yan, nagkakaproblema. Yan ha. It's like, hindi ko alam ha, it's yung tinatawag na nagdadadmahan, di ba? Yan. Maaring sabihin na nating merong tatakasan, baka tatakasan ng utang, di ba? Yan. Hindi ko alam, yan lang ang nakita ko, okay? Kumbaga dito yung tinatawag, ibinibigay ko na. Ayoko na ng pahirap na ito, ibinibigay ko na, surrendering, okay? Yan. It's like parting ways, merong parting ways dito, okay? It's like ayaw na niya ng responsibilidad na ito kasi nag-reverse both, okay? Yan, nag-reverse both, okay? So, let's see your personal life. So, ibig sabihin ito, yung tinatawag na wala, okay? Hindi attractive, di ba? Kasalatan, di ba? It's like yung bahay, di ba? Ikaw, it's like yung iyong itsura, di ba? Maaring napapabayaan, di ba? Napapabayaan ng itsura niya, nagiging losyang na siya, di ba? So nakikita dito yung tinatawag, maybe you are not brushing your teeth anymore, you are not eating a right food, di ba? Maybe nakikita na dito yung tinatawag na unti-unti, okay? Yan, nawawala ang kagandahan, di ba? Nalolos siyang. Maaring nananaba, di ba? Maaring sa consumption, di ba? Kasi merong, it's like someone left, okay? May umalis sa buhay, okay? Maaring sabihin na nating kaya naapektuhan, pati ang kanilang tinatawag, yung kanilang sarili, di ba? Mind, body, and soul, okay? So, naririto ang tinatawag na the world, di ba? So that is, ibig sabihin nito, the outcome. Okay? The outcome ng inyong, it's like, kung ano man ito, di ba? Kasi pag sinabi mong the world, there is a graduation, there is achievement, there is a tinatawag na tagumpay. Yan. Pwede kung ito laang, okay? There is a tinatawag tagumpay. So, another phase of life, another stage, another opening, another relationship, di ba? Pero, kung dito natin isasabay, okay, ilalagay ito, ibig sabihin, the outcome, di ba? Yan. The outcome, let's say sabihin na natin, pagkatapos ng 10 years, pagkatapos ng 20 years, ng tinatawag na ito, di ba? Ito ang naging outcome. It's not favorable. It's not nice, di ba? Hindi maganda. Okay, so let's see, di ba? Pero nakikita dito, yung tinatawag inalis. Kung kaya dito natin ito ang tinatawag the world, di ba? So merong inalis. It's like tinatawag burden, di ba? Burden. Kumbaga dito yung tinatawag na, okay, masyado siyang depleted, masyado siyang burned out, di ba? So kaya dito narito on the world and the Three of Swords, meaning to say, take it up, di ba? Alisin na. It's like terminating the project, terminating the contract, terminating a relationship, di ba? Aalisin na, okay? Para yung tinatawag lumuag ang kanyang damdamin, okay? So, let's see your tinatawag personal, okay? So, naririto ang tinatawag na the High Priestess, okay? Yan. So, it's more about tinatawag na calm, very calm, okay? Yan, very calm kayo. So, marito yung tinatawag na maybe nakikita na dito yung tinatawag sigla, saya, di ba? Maybe hilaw kasi ito. Maybe you are preparing, di ba, for a travel, for a new relationship, susugal, di ba, or studies, whatever, okay? Something. Ibig sabihin nito may bago, okay? Bagong relationship, bagong trabaho, bagong pag-ibig, whatever is that, di ba? Bagong gym, baka ito'y samba, di ba? Baka join ka ng Zumba. Maybe it has something to do about your health, di ba? Maybe it's about your religion, di ba? So, naririto ang tinatawag, yan ha. So, may mga meron kayong tinatawag na gustong, it's like maybe, whatever is this, maybe a new beginning, a new job, di ba? Maaring for some of you here, kasi narito yung tinatawag accomplishment, di ba? Yan. It's about your accomplishment. Maybe there is a new job, a new offer, a new opening, di ba? Opportunities. Yan, maaring pag-abroad. Yan. So nakikita dito your contentment, di ba? It's about your contentment, your social life, you and others, di ba? So, naririto, di ba? Maybe for some of you masyado na kayong pagod, di ba? Yan, ibig sabihin nito, maybe you need to go to the doctor or maybe you have to, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag, meron kayong gustong, let's say sabihin about yourself, di ba? Yan, okay? So, maaring dito masyado na kayong depleted, masyado na kayong burned out, okay? So, ano man ito, dahil naka-reverse ito, ha? So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na, okay? It's like, dito, yan ha? It's more about ang nakikita ko since ito ay the cups, the 7, okay? The 7 of cups, yan ha? Kung ano man ito, di ba? It's like, hindi nyo lahat, kasi nakikita, hindi lahat nakuha, di ba? Yan. Hindi na lahat nakuha. Yan ha. So, ibig sabihin nito, you are looking forward. Sabihin na natin, hindi mo, meron kayong mga usapan dito, di ba? Yan, hinihintay nyo. Dahil hindi pa nyo nakukuha. It's like hindi pa nyo nakokolect, di ba? Yan, baka ito'y bayad, baka ito'y tinatawag na whatever, di ba? Maybe it has something to do about your home, about jewelries, about your job, career, di ba? About your callings. Kumbaga dito, hindi pa nyo nakukuha. So, you are looking forward na sana ito is tinatawag, kung ano man itong bago na ito, di ba? Magkaroon ng tinatawag success, di ba? Yan. Okay? Yan. So, pero dinidescribe dito, masyado kayong exhausted, pagod na pagod, okay? So, yan ha. So, whatever is this you are waiting, okay? Yan. You are waiting, maybe soon, okay? Yan. Kung ano man ito, there is a news, you are waiting for the news. Maybe you are waiting for the result, di ba? If there is a fruition, kung ito yung makukuha mo, okay? So let's see the karmic, okay? The karmic energy. If there is a result, blessings, outcome, di ba? Yan. So ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na okay? Sandali lang, okay? Kung ano man ito, di ba? Yan, ha? I think you have to wait, okay? You have to wait, okay? Yan, oh. Kasi dito siya, okay? You have to wait. Kumbaga, kailangang hintayin mo ito, ha? Give it a time. It's like, give it a time. Kasi ito, ha? Okay? Yan. So, nakikita ko dito, if it has something to do about your occupation, di ba? Yan, give it a time. Maaring sabihin na natin, it's like this person is not yet capable. Maybe something is wrong with this person, di ba? Yan. So, it's about your inner peace, di ba? Okay? Yan. So, it's like tinatawag na examine your heart, di ba? Yan, examine your heart, okay? And remove it, okay? It's like tinatawag ditong tanggalin, okay? Yung mga, kung ano man ito, di ba? Maway hinanakit, whatever, okay? So that's the message, the karmic message from the universe I see for you, okay? Someone is thinking of you, I see it here. Okay?